I have so much stuff to do. Good morning. Oh, that's my hair. Okay. Good morning. So today I am doing a pop-up. And I just realized I left my charger at home, so I'm debating whether I should, like, after I'm gonna drop everything off at the spot where we're gonna set up at, and then come home and get the charger. Then I'm debating because I know I'm always on my phone. And I know I'm gonna need my phone. So, sorry. I need a car mount for this. I know. But yeah, we have to have everything, the cars moved and all that off the street by 9. It is 7:50, so I'm making good time. So I might do that. I might just run home and get it because yeah, I need my phone. But anyway, that's what's going on this morning. Other than that, it's gonna be a good day. I'm trying to make this money. I know I have long sleeves on, but right now it looks gloomy, and I should check the weather. I feel like it's gonna be hot for some reason, so I might. The perfect way for me to go back home is to get a shirt because I think it's gonna be hot today. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So anyway, now that I had a little rant, I hope you guys checked out the previous vlog that I just uploaded. I'm trying. Sorry, this damn. Okay, this thing. Hold on. Anyway, so back to what I was saying. So I'm trying to post every day. Someone said I'm not posting enough, so I'm gonna try posting every day to see if my account grows like that. We'll see. So far, this is the first week of me posting every day consistently. Usually I just post like 1 to 2 videos a week. So let's see. Yeah, I just uploaded a video yesterday. We did a pop-up. It was it was successful. I'm saying it was successful. I was a little skeptical about it because I'm like, I don't know. And the only reason why we did that one is because our original one was gonna go to one called Afro Love. That one is growing, and everyone, like, it had an amazing turnout last month. It's only once a month. So we paid to pay for that. Oh my god, do I need coffee? So we paid to go to that one, and then 2 days before the event, which was supposed to be yesterday, the guy who was over it, he said he had COVID, so he has to cancel. So out of nowhere, he canceled on us, but he haven't given us our money back, and that's a problem. But we're gonna give him some time to give us our money back. And so we had to find something to do at the last moment, and yesterday that was that event, and we paid the late fee and all that. But it was a nice turnaround. I'm surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised. But anyway, yeah, go check that vlog out. Yeah, I vlogged everything, took you guys with us. It's very entertaining. But anyway, so today, I don't know how today's gonna be, because this spot that I'm heading to, lately it's been very slow. For the past couple of months, it's been slow. This spot is really affordable too. So I had nothing else to do on Sunday, like any other event, and I'm off today, so I might as well try to make some money, get some content for YouTube and TikTok. So, and I'm banned off a live on TikTok, but it's supposed to be lifted today at 12 o'clock. So yeah, I definitely need to get my charger if I want to get on live. My back's starting to hurt. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, at least I got some food. Yesterday, me and my mom went to Denny's, and then I bought some what is it called? I ordered something to go. Oh my god, I cannot think straight. Alright, we're almost here. Oh, he's driving so slow, it's ridiculous. Let's see how it's gonna be today. And this spot is very competitive. I always say it because the vendors here are very territorial. It's never been like this. Usually, okay, they need to let me through. Damn. There's nobody here. It's like no vendors. Okay, maybe because I'm early. Okay. It is empty. Okay, let's see. Alright. It's never looked like this before. It's never been this empty. This place is going downhill. Alright, I guess since I'm here, we're still gonna set up. We're gonna make the best of this event. It's like not a lot of vendors, but more money for me, hopefully.
And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See my days.
Alright, so I am at Starbucks. So I went to get the my phone charger so I could charge my phone, and I decided to go to Starbucks to get like a breakfast sandwich. I was gonna record me ordering, but I had to order with the lady, so yeah, I'm always here at Starbucks. And my back still hurts. It's like, you know, when it's like when you about to have, you know, that time of the month. I don't know why I would do quotes. But the time of the month. So, since I left the spot, I dropped off the one garbage bag, the tables, and the tent at my area where I'm gonna set up at, and then I went home, like I said. So I had the rest of the stuff in the car. So when I get there, I'm just gonna unload again the rest of it, but I can't bring my car this time because at 9, that's when they shut it off. And I was saying how the place is so empty. I haven't seen it like it was only like, no lie, 3 vendors including me. No, 4 vendors including me where I was at, and then when I drove the other way where the food and all the other vendors are, it was probably what, I don't know, it was a few over there too. Usually at this spot where I'm at, it used to be filled, but it's a lot going on. I have to cut that out because, like I said in my previous videos, I have to watch what I say because people watch my videos. Now, people's like, I have horrible situations in the past, but now, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, watch what I say. Long line. I mean, it's taking forever. So anyway, there's not that many vendors, and I remember when me and my mom first started doing pop-ups here, it used to be so competitive. A lot of vendors, everyone used to get mad when you're in their spot, but now it's a lot's been changing, but whatever, change is good. So I have a video scheduled to upload today at 9 AM. This one was a weekly vlog from last week. So yeah, I'm doing good with these videos. I'm cranking them out. I'm being very consistent. I'm so proud of myself. I just want to grow more on all my social media, not just YouTube. I feel like I have the potential to have a large following. So finally. Hi, good morning. 1450. Yes. Thank you. Can I get a straw too?
A straw, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Have a nice time.
You too. Alright. Alright. I got my strawberry acai. I always need a straw. Alright. Oh, it's so good. So refreshing. And I got a birthday cake, but I'm so greedy. My sandwich. Okay, I might have to go around. Yeah. God, all right, I'm gonna have to go around. All right, guys. So I'm about to focus on the road, and then I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. All right. Yeah. So I need to unload the rest of the stuff. So you guys already know that I already left everything there to go get my charger and get some food. It's still early. It's 9:18. So I am about to get this wagon out and then yeah, let's unload this mess. This was a struggle, but we made it. All right, let me finish setting it up.
If you don't know, now you know you're gonna make it. And I
Okay, guys, so I still hear music. Okay, so I was trying to get away from the music, but everywhere over here is playing music, so hopefully I don't get any copyright violations. But I had to go to the car. I forgot the sunglass cases just in case someone want to purchase some glasses. They have a case to go with it. I know it's gonna be no. Let me take it back. I was gonna say it's gonna be slow, but I'm not sure. Good morning. All right, and I got some flyers, so yeah, make the best of this day. Okay, so everything is set up. I'm just waiting for the customers. I'm just sitting down, relaxing for a minute, and once I see a crowd, I'm gonna stand up.
Because my eyes are sensitive to light. That's why I started wearing a lot of sunglasses originally because
Who just purchased something? She was very shocked. I don't know if I should be offended or what, but she's very like surprised about the packaging when she purchased what I gave her with it. Yeah. All right, get in leftovers. She bought one of my glasses, one of my customers. She's from Africa, right?
I'm from Ghana and I just met Ashley and I love it.
Okay, made another sale. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make 2 more and then pack up. So I didn't make my goal, so I'm about to start packing up. It's fine. I'm not worried. Just a little bit, but it's fine. It was a good turnout. Okay, guys. So I am at the gas station. My face is so oily. I'm sweaty. I'm packing and unpacking, packing and unpacking. Well, packing up all that. It takes a lot, and yeah, it was a lot. But today was a good day. It's always a good day when I'm doing something towards the business or something. It's always a good day. Even if I only made like 1 sale, I still try to be positive. Oops, taking a lot of money. And then so yeah, today was a good day. So today I said oh my god, guys. Ooh. So I'm about to get something to eat. I'm gonna get some dinner, and then I'm not doing anything else. I was gonna edit vlogs tonight. Alright, go. Okay, I'm sorry guys. So today I'm supposed to be editing vlogs. Nothing too serious. Somebody ordered something online, so I'm gonna be shipping that tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a different vlog. But yeah, I've been so freaking consistent with YouTube, posting every day. I've been doing good. my hair everywhere. But yeah, yeah, like I said today, no complaints. I just wish it was a little bit more people, but you know, it's fine. I'm just ready to go home and relax and take these clothes off. What else happened? Did anything else happen that I missed and I didn't tell you guys? If I miss anything, I'm gonna turn back there on the camera and tell you. But I feel like I told you guys everything that's going on. He's driving too damn fast. Oh yeah, I feel like I told you guys everything that's going on in my life or anything that happened today. So yeah, tomorrow's Monday. Go back to work tomorrow, and then Tuesday you guys should already know my schedule. Go to school and all that. So yeah.